Hey everyone, Tanya here, and today I'm going to give you another useful phrasal verb to get something over with. Get something over with. I'm sure all of you have been in a situation when you just wanted to get something over with. Here's an example from my life. Right before the holidays, I had to get presents for my family and my friends. And I love giving presents, but I hate going shopping, especially during a holiday season. All the stores are crazy busy and you have to wait in long lines, wasting your time. It's just not fun. But I wanted to get the presents, so I just decided to get it over with, and I went shopping and I got all my shopping done in one day. So let's look at this sentence closely. I decided to get it over with and I got my shopping done in one day. Does it mean that I had to do something that I didn't really like? Yes. Like I said, I don't really like going shopping. Was it something that had to be done? Well, yes. I wanted to get the presents, so I had to go shopping. I couldn't really avoid it. Did I want to be done with my shopping as soon as possible? Absolutely yes. So to get something over with means to do or finish something, especially something that you find unpleasant or difficult or undesirable, but you can't really avoid it. So you want to do it as quickly as possible so you don't have to worry about it or think about it in the future.
Come, let's get it over with.
And now let's look at different situations when you can use this expression. If you are a student, you'll probably be very happy to get your final exams over with so you can relax and enjoy the school break. If you are at work and you have a difficult or boring task to do, it's probably a good idea to stop procrastinating and just get it over with. If you have to talk to someone about something unpleasant, maybe you're breaking up with your boyfriend or girlfriend, then don't avoid the conversation, just get it over with. The sooner the better. Alright guys, it's practice time. Please describe your situation when you just wanted to get something over with. What was it? Share your stories in the comments below, and I'll see you later.